Most everyone. So this is part 3. Same. First part I just told you about Mayakeri, Chudan, KAKATO GERI. Second part I make a Mayakeri Chudan, how much is the impact and how you can use for forcefully and how is it more meaningful when you use in a street and when you use in a tradition. Now this is the third part, I make a KAKATO GERI. So KAKATO GERI I just talked about the last time talk. You can use your heel or you can use your full foot when you wear your shoes. Yes? So technically this kick is same impact. When you are pushing the opponent. So when opponent come to you, you just pushing the opponent. This is again is maybe debatable, maybe not, maybe every person has a see in a different way. According to my training, my theory, I learned lots about this. KAKATO GERI, if you learn about this is not feasible. Like I don't see this kick many useful on the training because when you use and you push the opponent, your body lean back. Your structure is getting a little weak or a little wibbling. So I personally never use this kick in the street fight. Mayakeri Chudan are my favorite. But if you go to the Kyokushin style, Mas Sensei Masayama Oyama, if you know that, his title got that bullfighter. He made that Kyokushin guy style. He used this kick with meaningful. So one, you know the technique. Second, you know the meaning. So your grandmaster or your master spend more and more here to understand and find out the way to how you use the technique. So this kick is really, really impactable, usable when you use in a different way. So what they do in Kyokushin, they go in a 45-degree, lift your foot and drop your heel. So they do this. This is very strong, impactable, very work. So you have boom, boom, boom. Your opponent go back. You lift your foot on your side and you bring it on the front and drop heavy heel. So when he heels.